Opportunities that enable me to be my best self are what drive me forward. As much as I'm a numbers person, I'm also a people's person. My passion project, a podcast series called Closer, looks at a society that glorifies overnight success. It dives into the stories of impactful people in the UK and aims to uncover the short story long version of their notable achievements. My name is Michelle Lim, and I'm part of the financial modeling team at RSM UK. I moved around a lot growing up, but home has always been Bali. I came to the UK around 6 years ago to study, achieving my Bachelor of Science with honors in economics, politics, and international studies at the University of Warwick. I joined RSM through the audit graduate scheme 3 years ago and began my journey to becoming a chartered accountant. 12 months in, I was given an opportunity to switch roles and join the financial modeling team. Being able to work with brilliant and supportive people every day is something I do not take for granted. My manager sees me as a person and not just a number, which allows me to bring my whole self to work. Excellence and progress push me to bring my best every day. And being part of a business where you feel supported at all levels is all the motivation I need to perform at my peak potential. Between financial modeling and my podcast, I've been able to create a strong network of talented individuals to elevate my craft. I was recently awarded with a part-time master's scholarship at London Business School, meaning I'm still able to carry out my studies, my passion project, and my work. I am proud of what I've achieved so far, and I look forward to seeing what the next chapter brings. I hope to inspire and lift others around me the way I have been inspired in my journey. My name is Michelle, and this is me. Make an impact. Be our future.